abandon effort, abandon plan, ability level, absolute decline, absolute monarchy, abundant information, abundant rainfall, academic literature, academic center, academic career, academy library, accelerate growth, accelerate progress, accelerate construction, accelerated pace, access memory, access program, access computer, access connection, accidental discovery, accomplish goal, account status, accumulate capital, accurate forecast, achieve aim, achieve economy, achieve objective, achieve value, acquisition system, a crossroad, action lawsuit, active component, active involvement, active interest, active filter, actively promote, actively pursue, activity program, actual length, actual size, actual change, actually perform, actually create, actually go, actually led, acute disease, acute injury, adapt method, add picture, addition level, additional funding, additional task, additional requirement, additional amount, additional bonus, additional incentive, additional control, adequate amount, adequate time, adequate housing, adjustment period, adjustment measure, administration official, administration network, administrative cost, administrative decision, adopt measure, adopt widely, advanced development, advanced preparation, adverse reaction, advertising revenue, advice column, advisory service, aerospace company, aerospace industry, affect productivity, affect future, affect price, affect education, affordable housing, African agriculture, age information, agrarian reform, agrarian economy, agree plan, agricultural productivity, agricultural worker, agricultural economics, agricultural output, agricultural sector, agricultural engineering, agricultural policy, agricultural economic, agricultural engineer, agricultural research, agricultural commodity, agricultural economist, agricultural machinery, agricultural technology, agricultural operation, agricultural market, agricultural export, agricultural laborer, agricultural service, agricultural work, agricultural region, agricultural growth, agricultural price, agricultural trade, agricultural association, agricultural experiment, agricultural subsidy, agricultural produce, agricultural community, agricultural equipment, agricultural laborer, agricultural chemical, agricultural industrial, agricultural innovation, agricultural project, agricultural supply, agricultural management, agricultural planting, agricultural enterprise, agricultural information, agricultural organization, agricultural problem, agricultural waste, agricultural implement, agricultural producer, agricultural tariff, agricultural building, agricultural company, agricultural income, agricultural extension, agricultural modernization, agricultural administration, agricultural labor, agricultural support, agricultural utilization, agriculture sector, agriculture system, agriculture produce, agriculture secretary, agriculture field, agriculture department, agriculture labor, agriculture management, agriculture country, aid program, aid package, aid center, aim provide, air blow, air blast, air condition, aircraft engine, aircraft company, aircraft wing, all available, alleviate poverty, alleviate shortage, allocate resource, allow user, alloy steel, almost double, almost everywhere, almost triple, almost indestructible. Along road, already provide, also dependent, also anticipate, also retain, also want, alternate current, alternative technology, alternative fuel, alternative scenario. Alternative design, American corporation, American product, American agriculture, American manufacturer, American food, American car, American magazine, American entrepreneur, ammunition depot. Ample water, analog signal, analog circuit, analysis cost, analysis forecast, analysis time, analytic process, analyze cause, ancient dynasty, ancient book. Ancient region, animal care, animal health, animal muscle, animal food, animation film, announce intention, annual production, annual sale, annual budget. Annual revenue, annual conference, annual output, annual yield, annual rise, antibacterial agent, antitrust law, Apple computer, apple juice, apple orchard. Application research, application engineering, application process, application program, application software, application problem, application processing, application protection, apply technology, apply power. Apply directly, apply skill, appoint chief, appropriate use, appropriate environment, appropriate safety, arbitrary power, arcade game, archaeological research, architectural detail. Area network, area code, area development, armored vehicle, army command, array signal, arrive time, arsenic poisoning, article series, artificial lake. Artificial grass, artillery regiment, assemble computer, assembly plant, assembly technique, assembly time, assessment study, assign task, assist development, assistance program. Atomic force, attack time, attractive package, audio cassette, Australian economy, author name, authority management, auto industry, automaker, auto manufacturer. Auto production, auto company, auto sale, auto worker, auto market, auto plant, automate technology, automated equipment, automated process, automatic transmission. Automatic mechanism, automatic process, automatic equipment, automatic mode, automatically generate, automation technology, automobile company, automobile industry, automobile manufacture, automobile production. Automobile manufacturer, automobile manufacturers, automobile plant, autonomous vehicle, autonomous robot, available technology, available food, average yield, average worker, average consumption. Average cost, average length, average man, average standard, aviation industry, avoid trap, award medal, baby boomer, back end, backbreaking work. Bacterial contamination, bad condition, bad effect, bad harvest, bad practice, baked bean, baking powder, balanced diet, balanced system. Balanced development, ball roller, ban import, banking service, barely sufficient, bargaining agreement, barley grain, barrier layer, base technology, base state. Base interface, base application, baseball stadium, basic block, basic model, basic stage, basic system, basic commodity, basic layout, basic philosophy. Basic approach, basic change, basic foundation, basic language, basic design, basic format, basic manufacturing, basmati rice, batch processing, batch number, batch mode, battery power, be comfortable, be viable, be guilty, be ignorant, be unfair, be unsustainable, be abroad, be creative, be implicit, be misunderstood, be proficient, be proper, be rude, be supportive, be unjust, be outraged, be overwhelmed, be useless, be bankrupt, be digital, be professional, be tough, be freezing, be mangle, bean plant, bean sprout, bean production, become complicated, become fast, become consumer, become unemployed, become fashion, beef cattle, beer production, below average, beneficial impact, benefit mankind, benefit more, benefit increase, big change, big farm, big seller, big part, big trend, big disadvantage, big scale, big day, big winner. Binary number, biofuel, biofuel production, biological method, biologically diverse, biomedical application, bipartisan support, bitmap, bitline, bitregister, bituminous coal, black belt, black smoke, black market, black eye, black worker, bladder cancer, blast furnace, blast air, blight disease, block legislation, block list, blood sugar, blood level, blow air, blowhole, blue water, blue case, blur boundary, board directors, bold nut, bond length, book design, book management, book production, Boolean algebra, Boolean logic, boost confidence, boost price, boost production, boost productivity, boost output, borrow money, both work, bounce back, bountiful crop, break unit, branch bank, brand car, brand communication, breach contract, bread pastry, bread roll, break easily, break limit, break stereotype, breakfast cereal, breakfast food, breakthrough technology, breathing space, breeding industry, bring comfort, bring development, bring profit, bring order, bring fortune, bring stability, British government, British industry, British company, British system, broad distribution, broad foundation, broad market, broad beans, broadcast network, broaden scope, brown rice, brown leaf, Buddhist monk, build factory, build computer, build machine, build market, build railroad, build housing, build society, build engine, build order, building construction, building product, building performance, building scheme, building system, building owner, building technology, building trade, building fund, building world, building maintenance, building method, bulletin board, bumper crop, burn coal, bus card, business activity, business partner, business cycle, business model, business grow, business operation, business interest, business school, business use, business home, business failure, business application, business area, business district, business firm, business idea, business market, business process, business strategy, business establishment, business economic, business section, business website, business boom, business tax, buy food, buy house, buy property, buy stock, buy car, buy computer, buy mail, buy phone, calcium oxide, call company, caloric intake, camera device, canal system, cancer research, cancer diagnosis, cane sugar, capacity increase, capacity information, capital equipment, capital management, capital intensity, capital firm, capital goods, capital increase, capital economics, capital use, capture market, car company, car maker, car market, car design, car tire, car manufacture, carbon cycling, carbon content, carbon fiber, card slot, card reader, card design, career choice, career education, career development, career success, career field, careful selection, careful assessment, carry current, case report, case history, cash crop, cash flow, cash reserve, cash receipt, cassette tape, cast process, casualty rate, catalytic converter, catastrophic impact, catastrophic fire, catastrophic failure, cattle ranching, cattle farmer, cattle raising, cause unemployment, cause hardship, cause inflammation, cease production, cellular phone, cellular telephone, cement factory, center network, center area, center bank, central heating, central control, central location, central London, central tenet, central focus, central institute, central computer, central Russia, central force, centralized location, serial production, certain chemical, certain quality, certain problem, certain measure, chain management, chain operation, chain partner, chain system, challenge opportunity, chance increase, change landscape, change program, change date, change work, change design, change gear, change price, characteristic change, characteristic industry, charge price, charge rate, charge service, charge time, charitable organization, cheap land, cheap food, cheap cost, cheap electricity, cheap source, cheap energy, cheap method, cheap capital, cheap labor, cheap good, chemical fertilizer, chemical industry, chemical company, chemical pesticide, chemical manufacturing, chemical processing, chemical synthesis, chemical factory, chemical agent, chemically inert, cherry pit, chicken meat, chicken farming, chicken production, chief source, chief export, child labor, child pornography, China experience, Chinese company, Chinese cuisine, Chinese restaurant, chip design, chip manufacturing, chipset, chip technology, chip package, chip market, chip fabrication, chip industry, chip resistor, chip test, chip component, chocolate biscuit, chocolate bar, choose site, Christmas holiday, chromosomal aberration, chromosome number, chronic problem, church bell, circle line, circuit chip, circuit board, circuit design, circuit layout, circuit construction, circuit element, circuit device, city manager, city railway, city hall, city garden, city development, city board, city plaza, city resident, city core, city scale, city district, civic engagement, civil engineer, civil servant, civilian population, civilized world, class action, class level, classified information, classify information, classroom instruction, classroom setting, clay model, clean room, clean surface, cleaning solvent, clear signal, clear effect, clearly demonstrate, clearly understand, clearly distinguish, clearly illustrate, climate effect, climate disaster, climate adaptation, clinical research, clinical outcome, clock signal, close shop, close control, closed vessel, cloth textile, cloud computing, club meeting, coal iron, coal smoke, coal ore, coal use, coal seam, coal producer, coal company, coal furnace, coal power, coal dust, coating paint, Coca-Cola, cocoa bean, code sequence, coding sequence, coffee bean, coffee service, coking coal, cold blast, cold resistance, collect water, collection system, collective bargaining, collective farm, collective agreement, color structure, combat power, combination control, combine effort, combustible gas, commerce secretary, commercial production, commercial application, commercial farm, commercial revolution, commercial system, commercial agriculture, commercial scale, commercial vehicle, commercial work, commercial aviation, commercial paper, commercial crop, commercial farming, commercial building, commercial industry, commercial appeal, commercial empire, commercial decision, commercial process, commercial market, commercial plant, commercially available, commodity market, commodity value, commodity price, commodity trade, common disease, common issue, common policy, common variety, common land, common site, common ingredient, common pattern, common concern, common family, common stock, common environment, common right, common device, commonly available, communal land, communicate information, communication network, communication technology, communication device, communication information, communication process, communication strategy, communication building, communication management, communication media, communication time, community facility, compact car, compact disc, company create, company history, company president, company headquarters, company employee, company name, company process, company rule, company formation, company law, compare price, compete successfully, competition model, competition market, competitive pressure, competitive balance, competitive cost, complete destruction, complete system, complete design, complete sequence, complete failure, complete product, complete collapse, complete copy, completely new, completely rebuild, completely unknown, completely surround, complex carbohydrate, complex operation, complex situation, complex arrangement, complicated business, component design, component method, compound rate, compound semiconductor, compound word, comprehensive strategy, comprehensive information, compress file, compressed file, computational power, computer market, computer chip, computer industry, computer internet, computer terminal, computer memory, computer network, computer time, computer age, computer communication, computer manufacturer, computer user, computer device, computer hardware, computer magazine, computer business, computer company, computer database, computer display, computer interface, computer lab, computer maker, computer storage, computer drive, computer literacy, computer record, computer revolution, computing power, concentration plant, conceptual scheme, condition monitoring, conduct negotiation, conduct campaign, conference committee, congressional district, congressional office, congressional report, congressional support, connect device, conservation movement, conservation scheme, conservation system, conservation areas, conserve water, conserve fuel, considerable extent, considerable profit, considerable length, consistent way, consistent quality, constant vigilance, constant price, constituent part, constitutional authority, constitutional monarchy, construct tunnel, construction cost, construction sector, construction technology, construction plan, construction planning, construction unit, construction energy, consultancy service, consultation service, consultative group, consume food, consume power, consumer goods, consumer market, consumer preference, consumer expenditure, consumer choice, consumer demand, consumer electronic, consumer electronics, consumer advocate, consumer interest, consumer base, consumer benefit, consumer group, consumer spending, consumption increase, consumption pattern, consumption control, consumption value, consumption type, contain salt, contemporary agriculture, content range, content standard, content test, content control, continually improve, continuous growth, continuous processing, continuous signal, continuous role, contract term, contract market, contradictory nature, contribution method, control room, control growth, control company, control trial, control action, control operation, control price, control risk, control unit, control valve, control scale, control mechanism, control pest, control center, control speed, control module, control panel, control simulation, control site, controller system, controversial topic, conventional agriculture, conventional economics, conversion rate, convert format, cook rice, cook dinner, cooking method, cooking style, cooking time, cooking quality, cooking range, cool season, cooperative network, cooperative farm, cooperative system, cooperative project, coordinate development, coordinated development, copper oxide, copper wiring, Copyright Act, copyright infringement, cordless phone, core processor, core course, core market, core principle, core function, core chip, corn syrup, corn production, corn meal, corn variety, corn cob, corn ethanol, corn oil, corn seed, corn tortilla, corn grain, corn belt, corn harvest, corn starch, corn yield, corn plant, corned beef, corporate jet, corporate spending, corporate headquarters, corporation name, correct way, correct operation, corrosion resistance, cosmetic product, cost fall, cost performance, cost design, cost price, cost rise, cost system, cost control, cost reduction, cost change, cost model, cottage industry, cotton gin, cotton industry, cotton production, cotton mill, cotton cloth, cotton fabric, cotton picker, cotton farmer, cotton factory, cotton field, cotton print, cotton material, council member, country food, country level, country history, country limit, country club, county government, county sheriff, county committee, course experiment, court decide, court judge, court approval, cow milk, cow disease, create life, create method, create problem, create technology, create plan, create value, create confusion, create enterprise, create standard, creative destruction, creative thought, credit system, credit union, credit term, credit institution, credit sale, credit project, critical factor, critical value, critical system, critical component, critical control, critical need, crop field, crop variety, crop area, crop management, crop cultivation, crop growth, crop science, crop insurance, crop farming, crop protection, crop seed, crop breeding, crop improvement, crop quality, crop system, crop soil, crop industry, crop residue, crop rice, crossbreed, cross-link, cross-species, cross-layer, cross-station, crossing bridge, crown root, crucial component, crucial difference, crucial problem, crucial time. Crystal Palace, CT scanning, cultivation area, cultivation practice, cultural activity, cultural knowledge, cultural role, cultural impact, cultural transformation, culture knowledge. Culture clash, culture collection, culture medium, culture business, curb pollution, current method, current president, current market, current population, current challenge. Current capability, current loop, current program, current scope, current supply, currently popular, curriculum development, curriculum standards, customer record, customer satisfaction. Cut cost, cut import, cut price, cut wood, cutthroat, cut machine, cyber attack, cylinder engine, cylinder machine, daily value, daily price, daily need, daily requirement, daily work, dairy cattle, dairy farm, dairy food, damage reputation, damage habitat, damage lung. Damage control, dangerous level, dangerous substance, data storage, data flow, data rate, data security, data transmission, data gathering, data acquisition, data communication, database entry, dead zone, deal directly, death trap, debtor-creditor, debug process, decision support, declare bankruptcy, deep cut, deep mine, deep-rooted, defense system, defense capability, defensive capability, degree education, deliberate policy, deliver information, deliver product, delivery date, delivery time, delta region, delta area, demand production, demand growth, demand service, demand supply, demand curve, demand market, demand development, demand level, deny access, deny entry, department head, department work, department building, deposit account, depress price, deputy secretary, description language, desert landscape, design principle, design review, design material, design manufacturing, design project, design equipment, design flow, design problem, design fabrication, design bridge, design chip, design computer, design job, design patent, design technique, design tool, design work, design market, design speed, design circuit, design experiment, design machine, design hardware, design specification, design knowledge, desktop computer, desktop system, desperately poor, destroy world, destroy bacteria, detailed review, detailed instruction, detect disease, detection technology, develop quickly, develop skill, develop agriculture, develop interest, develop potential, develop marketing, develop research, develop cooperation, develop leadership, develop application, develop power, develop problem, develop product, developed country, developed nation, developing world, development innovation, development base, development work, development market, development aid, development trade, development association, development program, development problem, development prospect, development effort, development engine, development organization, development zone, development application, development capability, development corporation, development demand, development improvement, development manufacturing, development quality, development requirement, development community, development continue, development sector, development line, development land, development path, development assistance, development service, development basis, development marketing, development support, device fabrication, device manufacturing, device manufacturer, device test, device system, device controller, device failure, device application, diametrically opposed, diesel engine, dietary habit, difference control, different crop, different department, different factor, different impact, different market, different company, different dish, different goal, different product, different route, different action, different content, different soil, different conclusion, different industry, different nationality, different word, different wave, different team, different trade, difficult task, difficult condition, difficulty problem, diffusion layer, diffusion model, digital revolution, digital camera, digital format, digital communication, digital age, digital photography, digital television, digital phone, digital converter, digital signal, digital assistant, digital circuit, digital information, digital TV, digital watch, digital transition, digital system, digital broadcasting, digital device, digital equipment, digital radio, digital recorder, digital input, digital thermometer, digital electronics, digital network, digital broadcast, digital process, dimension size, dining table, dinner plate, diplomatic conference, direct consumption, direct subsidy, direct product, direct use, direct deposit, direct support, direct market, direct model, direct viewing, direct flow, directly control, directly interact, directly access, dirt floor, disaster risk, disaster assistance, discharge standard, discrete component, discriminate against, discuss topic, disk drive, disk storage, Disney World, display technology, display card, display information, display rack, display resolution, display room, display image, display screen, display control, display interface, disposable income, distance space, distant future, distribute information, distribution site, distribution scheme, district level, diverse society, divert attention, dizzying array, DNA technology, do job, do research, do anything, do experiment, documentary evidence, documentary series, documentation support, domestic market, domestic work, domestic industry, domestic demand, domestic production, domestic consumption, domestic task, domestic price, domestic fowl, domestic producer, domestic tax, domestic supply, dominant influence, dominant trait, dominant industry, dominate market, doomsday scenario, double output, double time, double type, double gate, double acting, downtown district, downward pressure, downward trend, drain region, dramatic growth, dramatic improvement, dramatically decrease, drastic measure, draw experience, drill machine, drilling technology, drink tea, drive north, drive system, drive listens, drive growth, driving listens, drop price, drop significantly, drop water, drop weight, drought condition, drought tolerance, drought tolerant, dry spell, dry matter, dual core, dual processor, do regard, durable resistance, durable material, durum wheat, die industry, dynamic memory, dynamic simulation, dynamic function, dynamic access, dynamic failure, dynamics model, early diagnosis, early cultivation, early June, early success, early version, early advantage, early maturity, early prediction, earn living, earn less, earth movement, easily break, easily satisfied, easily cut, easily readable. East section, easy process, easy communication, easy control, easy money, eat grain, eat vegetable, eat bread, eat well, eat snack. Eat soup, ecological damage, ecological diversity, ecological destruction, economic forum, economic movement, economic effect, economic progress, economic security, economic freedom. Economic industrial, economic instability, economic model, economic problem, economic reality, economic term, economic trend, economic welfare, economic upheaval, economic resurgence. Economic affair, economic background, economic environment, economic organization, economic perspective, economic management, economic conference, economic difficulty, economic pressure, economic report. Economic research, economic situation, economic slowdown, economic transformation, economic collapse, economic context, economic dominance, economic behavior, economic course, economic crop. Economic event, economic liability, economic competition, economic goal, economic implication, economic influence, economic stagnation, economic field, economic subject, economical method. Economically advanced, economically attractive, economics research, economy grow, economy suffer, economy produce, economy standard, economy system, economy growth, edge tool. Edit book, educate worker, education degree, education curriculum, education position, education sector, effective response, effective capacity, effective process, effective manager. Effective marketing, effective regulation, effective participation, effectively solve, efficiency standard, efficiency increase, efficiency method, efficient product, efficient information, efficient process. Efficient transport, effort fail, Egyptian people, election date, elective course, electric company, electric railway, electric car, electric machine, electric generator. Electric refrigerator, electric line, electric cooker, electric network, electrical property, electrical device, electrical circuit, electrical industry, electrical system, electrical engineer. Electrical connection, electrical performance, electrical grid, electricity consumption, electricity production, electricity equipment, electricity technology, electromagnetic theory, electron beam, electronic music. Electronic circuit, electronic component, electronic computer, electronic design, electronic system, electronic machine, electronic unit, electronic technology, electronic calculator, electronic network. Electronic signal, electronic form, electronic magazine, electronic paper, electronic company, electronic application, electronics industry, electronics show, electronics company, electronics device. Elementary teacher, emergency food, emergency assistance, emergency aid, emission control, emotional investment, empire building, employee benefit, employee behavior, employee contract. Empty field, emulsion paint, enable access, enable system, enclosure movement, end user, endanger health, energy policy, energy usage, energy dependence. Energy engineering, energy agency, energy application, energy business, energy efficient, energy bill, energy management, energy revolution, enforcement action, engine design, engine size, engine plant, engine efficiency, engine power, engine type, engine fuel, engine part, engine production, engineer build, engineering principle, engineering use, engineering program, engineering manufacturing, engineering profession, engineering firm, engineering operation, engineering research, engineering analysis, engineering project, engineering corporation, engineering degree, engineering control, engineering course, engineering subject, English law, English history, English society, English company, enhance productivity, enhance safety, enhance security, enhanced security, enormous demand, enormous increase, enormous boost, enormous growth, enormous value, enormously popular, enough oxygen, enough water, enough capital, enough place, ensuing year, ensure quality, ensure access, ensure control, ensure security, enterprise type, entire day, entire field, entire sector, entire industry, entire range, entire organization, entire width, entire business, entire situation, entirely clear, entrepreneurial spirit, environmental economics, environmental economic, environmental policy, environmental law, environmental assessment, environmental sustainability, environmental cost, environmental regulation, environmental implication, environmental stewardship, environmental record, environmental benefit, environmental disaster, environmental goal, environmental standard, environmentally sensitive, equal part, equal volume, equal weight, equal quality, equally high, equipment technique, equipment control, equipment technology, equipment machinery, equity firm, equivalent amount, equivalent level, especially design, especially valuable, especially difficult, especially critical, especially famous, essential service, essential mineral, essential tool, essentially different, establish standard, estate development, etching process, Europe market, European market, European government, European capital, European convention, evaluate result, evaluate model, evenly split, event state, event log, eventual collapse, eventually win, eventually end, eventually reduce, eventually destroy, eventually surpass, eventually discover, exact science, exact proportion, exact reproduction, examination analysis, example project, exceed limit, exceed demand, excellent performance, excellent condition, excellent opportunity, excellent system, exceptionally fine, exchange value, exchange process, exchange network, exchange technology, exchange policy, exclusive contract, exclusive use, exclusive shop, execution law, executive officer, executive chairman, exert pressure, exhaust fume, expand production, expand network, expand market, expand demand, expand export, expand output, expansion device, expensive equipment, expensive option, expensive commodity, experience level, experience learning, experience problem, experiment station, experiment indicate, experiment effect, experimental station, experimental result, experimental farm, experimental machine, experimental field, expert argue, explain reason, export trade, export rise, export commodity, export business, export value, export ban, export process, export tax, export promotion, export goods, export price, exporting countries, exporting country, express desire, extension service, extension program, exterior design, external cost, external storage, external device, external support, external image, external connection, extra cost, extract water, extraordinarily rapid, extreme behavior, extreme stress, extremely inefficient, extremely large, fabrication facility, fabrication process, fabrication technique, face competition, face starvation, facilitate development, facilitate removal, facility equipment, facility management, factory system, factory open, factory farm, factory farming, factory job, factory make, factory produce, factory work, factory employ, factory owner, factory power, failure process, fair pay, fair price, fair value, fairly successful, fall dramatically, fall significantly, fall harvest, fall weather, familiar sight, family farm, family economy, family budget, famous play, famous building, famous star, famous actor, famous company, fancy ball, farm worker, farm life, farm machinery, farm product, farm bureau, farm management, farm output, farm produce, farm productivity, farm laborer, farm workers, farm sector, farm policy, farm cattle, farm industry, farm vehicle, farmed fish, farmer worker, farming system, farming equipment, farming region, farming technology, farming area, farming industry, farming production, farming country, farmland preservation, fashion product, fast food, fast network, fast approach, fast operation, fat diet, fatal injury, favorable effect, fax machine, Federal Reserve, federal election, federal subsidy, federal level, federal department, federal role, federal ministry, feed people, feed family, feed grain, feed diet, feed market, fellow countrymen, female flower, fertile land, fertile plain, fertilize soil, fertilizer use, feudal lord, few benefit, few item, fiber optic, fiber network, fiber product, fiber production, field effect, field treatment, field level, fierce competition, fighting vehicle, file sharing, file share, file server, filing cabinet, film industry, film company, filter air, filter unit, final product, final resolution, final element, final plan, final testing, finally make, finally give, finally raise, finance company, finance expansion, finance research, finance institution, financial system, financial incentive, financial market, financial institution, financial capital, financial condition, financial engineering, financial stability, financial strength, financial advantage, financial ability, financial marketing, financial upheaval, financial backing, financial management, financial arrangement, financial calculation, financial plan, financially rewarding, financially feasible, find company, find approach, find opportunity, find purpose, find wire, find thread, find pitch, finite resource, fire gun, fire pot, fire insurance, fire burning, firm management, firm theory, first computer, first car, first release, first concern, first product, first build, first customer, first term, first standard, first broadcast, first business, first game, first phone, first taste, first tunnel, first course, first prototype, first invention, fiscal management, fiscal crisis, fish pond, fish farming, fish shop, fishery machinery, fishing industry, fit description, 5-member, flame furnace, flash memory, flash drive, flatland, flexible display, flip chip, flip flop, float point, flood control, flood risk, flood defense, floppy disk, floppy drive, flour mill, flow away, flow volume, fluorescent lighting, focus exclusively, fold increase, folic acid, folk singer, follow closely, follow practice, follow design, follow code, following information, food nutrition, food intake, food science, food stamp, food demand, food store, food policy, food waste, food company, food market, food service, food aid, food quality, food poisoning, food reserve, food bank, food cost, food health, food area, food export, food label, food manufacturer, food packaging, food processor, food producer, food supplement, food commodity, food corporation, food habit, food process, food culture, food purchase, food coloring, food collaring, foot odor, foot disease, football team, forage crop, foreign affair, foreign ownership, foreign investment, foreign market, foreign corporation, foreign firm, foreign manufacturer, foreign assistance, foreign competitor, foreign control, foreign service, foreign company, foreign competition, foreign investor, foreign product, foreign source, foreign occupation, foreign import, foreign industry, foreign goods, foreign origin, forest product, form society, formal verification, formation stage, former company, former employee, former owner, former engineer, formidable barrier, found company, foundation form, foundation base, foundation build, foundation theory, foundation seed, foundation technology, fountain pen, frame buffer, free diet, free person, free delivery, free range, free work, free day, free form, free help, free open, freely available, French company, French physician, frequent complaint, frequently visit, fresh vegetable, fresh fruit, fresh beef, freshwater fish, friendly society, front panel, front drive, front bumper, front suspension, front wheel, frost damage, fruit seed, fruit crop, fruit stand, fuel efficiency, fuel economy, fuel energy, fuel vehicle, fuel system, fuel production, fuel source, fuel price, fuel engine, fuel gasoline, full control, full day, full name, full picture, full package, full documentation, full line, fully functional, fully autonomous, fully implement, fully integrate, fully protect, fully demonstrate, function properly, function correctly, function block, function control, function teaching, function level, functional system, functional approach, fund system, fund development, fundamental understanding, fundamental aspect, fundamental science, fundamental issue, fundamental transformation, fungal disease, furnace temperature, further growth, further experiment, further reduction, further strengthen, further stimulate, further aid, further application, further raise, further widen. Future production, future contract, future application, future challenge, future potential, future prospect, future technology, future prize, game console, game industry, game machine, gang activity, garden plot, gas price, gas production, gas company, gas supply, gas industry, gas network, gas pipeline, gas utility, gas flux, gas waste, gasoline engine, gasoline shortage, gate circuit, gate number, gear lever, gear bearing, gear motor. Gender inequality, gene mutation, gene encoding, gene clone, general motor, general practitioner, general purpose, general plan, general usage, general strike. General statement, generally available, generate income, generation technology, generation process, genetic technology, genetically engineer, genome sequence, geographical position, geographical variation, geometric structure, German company, get away, get money, giant corporation, give access, give hope, give assistance, give call, give consideration. Glass fiber, glass production, glass making, glass industry, glass powder, global production, global trade, global audience, global price, global demand, global problem, global program, global agriculture, global development, global organization, global output, global perspective, global product, global security, global treaty, global exchange, global issue, global regulation, global crop, global food, global travel, global access, global expansion, global program, global society, global analysis, global importance, global interest, global alliance, global economic, global economics, global process, globalization process, glorious revolution, glorious past, glucose level, gluten wheat, go bankrupt, go east, goldfield, golden collar, golden yellow, golf club, good response, good yield, good rate, good variety, good crop, good method, good position, good taste, good connection, good illustration, good part, good resistance, good term, good tolerance, good picture, good preparation, good product, goods transport, government spending, government assistance, government aid, government funding, government help, government try, government level, government service, government decision, government financing, government ban, government behavior, government planning, government commitment, government finance, government monopoly, government construction, gradual reform, gradual transition, gradually grow, graduation certificate, grain production, grain price, grain yield, grain elevator, grain product, grain food, grain market, grain import, grain output, grain shape, grain bread, gramophone record, Grand Canal, graphic representation, graphic display, graphical representation, graphics card, grass seed, grassland area, grassy field, grazing land, great leap, great concern, great distress, great exhibition, great improvement, great part, great problem, great invention, great activity, great fortune, great investment, great performance, great project, great promise, great shape, great fleet, greatly change, greatly facilitate, green pea, green wheat, green card, green vegetable, green fruit, grid array, groundwater contamination, group tour, grow cotton, grow tall, grow wheat, grow flour, grow fruit, grow grain, grow well, grow garden, grow vegetable, growing power, growing season, growth hormone, growth yield, growth sector, growth control, growth cycle, growth technology, growth characteristic, growth area, growth business, guidance system, guide student, guide development, gun carriage, habitually use, half day, hammer blow, hamper development, handle situation, handle control, handling system, happen again, hard winter, hard disk, hard road, hardware manufacturer, hardware system, hardware company, hardware component, hardware platform, hardware vendor, hardwood forest, harsh climate, harvest wheat, harvest stage, have product, have rank, have disadvantage, have expectancy, have limitation, have performance, have sympathy, have competition, have trait, have debt, have dollar, have feast, have agreement, have phone, hazardous material, health center, health worker, health department, health strategy, hearing aid, hearth furnace, heat wave, heat stress, heat steam, heat air, heat resistance, heated air, heating system, heating furnace, heavily rely, heavily involved, heavy demand, heavy debt, heavy equipment, heavy truck, heavy dependence, heavy job, heavy pressure, heavy reliance, heavy duty, heavy cargo, heavy fabric, heavy manufacturing, hefty tax, herb garden, herbal supplement, high tariff, high wage, high volume, high confidence, high debt, high inflation, high performance, high achievement, high consumption, high premium, high profit, high quantity, high potential, high rise, high margin, high production, high requirement, high post, high protein, high carbohydrate, high earning, high expense, high capability, high security, high visibility, high yielding, highly vulnerable, highly polished, highly susceptible, highly toxic, highly flexible, highly talented, highly intensive, highly competitive, highly resilient, highly resistant, highly available, highly limited, highly speculative, hill area, hiring decision, historian suggest, historical analysis, historical process, historical origin, historical pattern, history review, hit market, hold conference, hold study, hold summit, Holy Land, home computer, home appliance, home cooking, home loan, home state, home mortgage, home construction, home city, home stadium, horizontal section, hormone production, horse riding, horse carriage, hospitality industry, hostile takeover, hot blast, hot point, hot weather, hot topic, hot beverage, hot mill, hot iron, hot dog, household production, household use, household appliance, household goods, household name, household task, household food, household level, housing complex, housing market, housing unit, housing shortage, housing sector, housing space, huge development, huge amount, huge problem, huge success, huge lake, huge benefit, huge burden, huge change, huge effect, huge increase, huge market, huge range, huge surplus, human nutrition, human labor, human motion, human reproduction, human element, human labor, human power, human demand, humanly possible, humid environment, hunting knife, hurt reputation, hybrid seed, hybrid variety, hybrid technology, icebox, idea work, ideal setting, identify product, identify information, identify problem, ignition system, image sensor, image description, image transmission, image reconstruction, immediate use, immediate consequence, immediate access, immediately become, immense amount, immense diversity, immigrant worker, immigrant work, immigrant labor, immigration reform, impact assessment, imperial family, imperial rule, implement method, implement technology, implement design, implement control, implementation system, implementation plan, import increase, import tariff, import duty, import business, import control, import process, import quantity, import product, important invention, important center, important sector, important port, important evidence, important commodity, important goal, important point, important category, important defect, important theme, important symbol, important achievement, important advantage, important case, important contributor, important project, important species, important asset, important occasion, important grain, important supplement, important system, impose control, improve productivity, improve technique, improve process, improve communication, improve security, improve speed, improve standard, improve status, improve taste, improve transportation, improve clarity, improve processing, improve knowledge, improve management, improve delivery, improve design, improve development, improve greatly, improve nutrition, improve significantly, improve marketing, improve system, improved technique, improved productivity, improved version, improved process, improvement center, improvement result, improvement production, improvement program, improvement method, improvement design, inadequate housing, inbred line, inbred strain, incandescent lamp, incandescent bulb, inch long, inclined plane, income increase, income distribution, income rise, income fall, income gap, increase price, increase greatly, increase security, increase export, increase ratio, increase sharply, increase traffic, increase usage, increase pace, increase pay, increase overall, increase flexibility, increase profit, increase trend, increased duration, increased rate, increased risk, increased production, increasingly dependent, increasingly professional, increasingly reliant, increasingly complicated, individual user, individual economy, industrial engineering, industrial power, industrial era, industrial output, industrial use, industrial design, industrial project, industrial worker, industrial system, industrial control, industrial crop, industrial nation, industrial activity, industrial level, industrial base, industrial facility, industrial machine, industrial zone, industrial machinery, industrial manufacturing, industrial organization, industrial capitalism, industrial practice, industrial business, industrial corporation, industrial exhibition, industrial life, industrial robot, industrial science, industrial technology, industrial district, industrial center, industrial chemistry, industrial plant, industrial foundation, industrial market, industrial enterprise, industrial operation, industrial farm, industrial operations, industrialization process, industrialized production, industry crisis, industry process, industry standard, industry use, industry base, industry produce, industry manufacturing, industry sector, industry research, industry production, industry revolution, industry term, industry demand, industry branch, industry center, industry city, industry classification, industry product, industry strategy, industry world, industry experience, industry observer, industry network, industry planning, industry power, industry project, industry source, industry system, industry tie, industry transition, industry line, industry processing, industry engineering, industry office, industry report, industry risk, industry transport, inevitably led, inexpensive product, inexperienced people, infant food, infection rate, inflation rate, influence people, influential factor, information storage, information sharing, information communication, information office, information share, information process, information systems, information transmission, information control, information support, information application, information delivery, information device, information distribution, information highway, information overload, information provider, information display, information mechanism, information exchange, information quality, information store, information awareness, information business, information equipment, infrastructure project, infrastructure network, initial period, initial release, initial success, initial production, initial development, initial idea, initial size, initial cost, initial capital, initially appear, injury prevention, inkjet printer, inland area, inland region, inland transport, innovation policy, innovation system, innovation management, innovative practice, inorganic fertilizer, input signal, input range, insect population, insect infestation, insect attack, insect virus, inside room, inside wall, inside part, inside tube, install network, install program, instant food, instant message, instant messaging, instead go, institutional investor, instrument maker, insufficient funding, insufficient food, insulate layer, insurance policy, insurance premium, insurance industry, integrate circuit, integrate component, integrate design, integrated circuit, integrated management, integration system, intellectual curiosity, intellectual capability, intelligence project, intelligent system, intensive cultivation, intensive farming, intensive production, intensive use, intensive management, intensive activity, intensive operation, interactive use, interest rate, interest grow, interface system, interior room, internal combustion, internal operation, internal revenue, internal service, internal document, internal drive, internal design, internal memory, internal storage, international research, international development, international fund, international commitment, international consortium, international demand, international airport, international body, international help,